I would definitely like fascinating for me right now would be web. ये वाला गाना बहुत ही अलग लगा था मुझे क्योंकि जब मैंने ऑडियो भी सुना तो I did not know, like I did not know that I was working with Siddharth first. So I got to hear the audio first, and the song really excited me somewhere. Like I really got excited about it. I was like, I'm gonna do this song. I think all the music videos that I've done have always been pretty different from the last one. So I always go for versatile stuff. If there's a nice movie for me, I would absolutely want to be in that, and Bollywood is like that ultimate dream of every person.
Hello Avneet, welcome to E-Times TV.
Hi, thank you for having me.
And it's always a pleasure to talk to you. And now that I've
Thank
seen
you.
the song, it's romantic, thoda sa twist bhi hai in the end. So how different it was to shoot for this, because I think ऐसी तरीके का story आप पहली बार कर रही हैं.
Yeah, absolutely. Like ये वाला गाना बहुत ही अलग लगा था मुझे क्योंकि जब मैंने ऑडियो भी सुना तो I did not know that I was working with Siddharth first. So I got to hear the audio first, and the song really excited me somewhere. Like I really got excited about it. I was like, I'm gonna do this song. I love the audio, I love the vocals. Ishan ने इतना अच्छा गाया है. And then got to know about the concept and the vibe of the song. Now the vibe of the song is somewhere I got really interested because आप अगर आपने तो देखा ही है, so बहुत ही अलग तरीके से shoot हुआ है ये. Those montages, those quick shots is really something that excited me. So yeah, I think when I got to know about the concept and how this was going to be shot, I was like all in for it.
You know, Avneet, you have been doing music videos now back to back और काफी success भी आपको मिल रहा है. But at times, does it get monotonous for you?
Monotonous नहीं होता है. I'll tell you why. Because I think all the music videos that I've done have always been pretty different from the last one. So I always go for versatile stuff. Like I cannot do like one thing again and again. So I am that as a person also. Like Avneet is like that as a person as well. I get bored very quick. So that's why I sort of have to do these projects जिसमें मुझे कुछ अलग experience करने मिले. So all the projects that I've done अभी तक are all different actually. You cannot compare any project to any.
कोई peppy number है तो कोई slow romantic track
है. कोई slow romantic है. The whole stories, everything is different about all my songs. So that's what I like to do, and I work on my characters as well. So for this, I especially got a blonder version of my hair. So I like आप देखोगे अगर मैंने पूरा blonde किया था उस time पे बाल. So I wanted to go with that vibe because it's like that vampire feel vibe because Siddharth already looks like that. So he looks like a very So I wanted to go with him. Like that's why I did that. So I work on my character as well.
Yeah. In fact, my next question was कि since you're doing so many music videos, आपको हर बार अलग भी दिखना बहुत जरूरी है ताकि audience को भी लगे that you're doing justice to your character. So how much of input you put from your side कि मेरे character का look ऐसा होना चाहिए और मैं इसमें आप कितना ध्यान देते हो?
First of all, I think character का look कैसा होना चाहिए उसके लिए I have to know the story. I have to know the storyline and I have to see what she would look like. Like that's my imagination. That's something that I imagine. And then I talk to the director about it. Like definitely director ने भी कहीं ना कहीं सोचा होगा और उनका अपना एक imagination world होता है जो उन्होंने create किया है. So we both sort of come on the same page about it and we both discuss it. And then we come up with a look. So it's not always me. There are people involved. There's my mother involved always. She suggests me looks that I can create and looks I can go ahead with. Like chocolate, अगर आपने मेरा गाना सुना होगा, for chocolate we went with a very peppy like blue eyeliner, pink eyeliner, and all of that we got to create. But for this, it had to be on a very, very rough kind of very sexy vibe. There's something else about it. So we thought of this hair color, and I was like, Mama, I can't do this, right? So she was pretty against about it first because you'll ruin your hair, she said. But then I tried and looked good on screen, so I'm very happy.
Yeah, right. And how has been the working experience with Siddharth? You're working with him for the first time?
Yeah, we worked for the first time and it was amazing. मैंने उनके obviously पहले के projects देखे हैं और वो इतना ज़्यादा, he also puts so much effort in the projects that he's working on always, and that's what I really like about him. And being on the set with him was completely amazing, and I had like this bond, like we didn't know each other इतना अच्छे से पहले से, but we used to talk and we never met so often. But when I met him and we sort of started talking, there was a nice chemistry happening on the set, and there was like a good vibe that time. So that's when I knew कि हाँ चलो, like it's all comfortable and we can shoot nicely.
But who broke the ice first?
ऐसा कोई आइस हमारे बीच में था नहीं, because we had been talking, we met at a party first.
Yeah.
So वो party पे मिला and it was like a normal casual conversation, and then I remember I had posted about Vaste because उनका Vaste गाना मुझे बहुत पसंद है. Yeah. And I had put a swipe up or something, and then that's how we got talking, and I told him about a few things about social media and how things are and everything. That's how we got talking, and he's very sweet, like he's a good person.
Now that you're enjoying doing music videos, क्योंकि आपको 3 मिनट में इतना एक अलग-अलग characters play करने का मौका मिलता है. Are you still inclined towards doing projects on TV?
I would definitely, like, fascinating for me right now would be web, I think, because I have not done much in that form. Like I've just done one web series which was called Babbar Ka Tab. But I think that's more of my zone right now, and I would really like to enjoy something in that category right now. So yeah, that's what I'm looking forward to.
But अगर हम web की बात करें अवनीत, there's a lot of bold content on web. काफी shows बनते हैं ऐसे which revolves around bold content, और काफी बार realistic subject दिखाने के लिए भी वैसे scenes shoot किए जाते हैं. As an actress, how comfortable are you with such scenes, and are you open to doing them?
No, I would say I'm not so comfortable. But I would rather go for a story that does not involve all this, I think. Definitely मैं जितना हो सके मैं पहले story को जानने की कोशिश करूँगी, and then we'll take a decision about that. But yeah, no, I'm not comfortable definitely doing scenes like that. So.
And also now that you have worked on TV, you're such a popular name on social media, you have done music videos. Can we say that you in future you're eyeing Bollywood also? You want to enter Bollywood sometime? You have done
absolutely. That's like yeah, exactly. But like agar if there's a nice movie for me, I would absolutely want to be in that, and Bollywood is like that ultimate dream of every person. But I'm really thankful and I'm very grateful that I already got that opportunity to sort of prove myself even on the bigger screen. पर आगे भी कोई projects हुए जो मुझे लगा कि they challenge me and there's a different sort of experience, I would love to be a part of that, definitely.
You have worked in films और हमें पता है कि आपके characters भी उसमें appreciate हुए, noticeable थे. लेकिन अगर हम यहाँ पे बात करें being cast as a leading lady, आपको लगता है कितना challenging या difficult होने वाला है because you don't have a godfather in the industry?
Right. So I think it depends on your talent. It depends on your hard work. And you really have to, give it all that you've got. Like that's what I have believed since the beginning. In each and everything that I have done, it has always been like all of me. ऐसा कभी भी नहीं हुआ है कि मन खराब करके या बिना मन किए मैं कोई चीज कर रही हूँ, मैं कर ही नहीं सकती. So I think that is very important. And see, it's luck, yaar. I don't know. I really believe in that as well. So let's see. अगर कुछ भी ऐसा मुझे मिला तो मैं definitely चाहूँगी मैं उस पर बहुत ज़्यादा काम करूँ before I take a step. Like I want to work on myself first, I would want to do that. And yeah, that's it.
बट आपने ऑलरेडी काम किया है बॉलीवुड में, यू नो थोड़े कॉन्टैक्ट्स होंगे आपको. आपकी क्या राय है एज अ न्यू कमर, एज अ बिगनर, कितना डिफिकल्ट होता है टू मेक योर मार्क इन द इंडस्ट्री? वी आर सीइंग कि काफी टीवी एक्टर्स भी अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, चाहे वो यू नो मृणाल ठाकुर हो या पहले सुशांत थे. काफी सारे लोगों ने यू नो अपना नाम बनाया है. सो व्हाट इज योर टेक, क्योंकि आपने फिल्म में काम किया है?
My take on this would be, I don't know. See, it's just like I'm happy in wherever I am in my life. But if I get an opportunity like this, I would, obviously I would still be happy about it as well. So yeah, I'm just waiting for the right sort of project. Like I have been offered a few, but somewhere वो इतना मुझे interest नहीं किया, and somewhere those were not appropriate. So I'm just waiting for that right project, which there's a story that revolves around a girl completely. I think I can take that sort of challenge, and I can take that sort of responsibility on me to portray a character like that. So I'm waiting for that character.
And who do you look up to, Avneet? अगर inspiration की बात करें, Hollywood, Bollywood, who do you look up to? Is there someone who inspires you?
I'm not really, I don't look up to somebody, but I get inspired by everybody, I would say. हर इंसान की एक अलग स्टोरी होती है, एक अलग बैकग्राउंड होता है where they've come from. So that's what inspires me in each and every actor, in each and every celebrity. So yeah, I would not say a particular role model, but everybody inspired.
Before wrapping up, any message to fans who always love you so much?
All I want to say is that I know I've been a little off. I've not been, talking to all of you guys for a bit, and but I'm okay. I just want you guys to know that I'm okay, and I've been working a lot, is that. And thank you so much for loving Dekhe Sare Khwab. Again, आप लोगों ने इतना प्यार दिया. You are so, you guys are so selfless, and so like there's so much love inside you all to me, and I really, really appreciate that, and I notice each one of your fan arts, all your love and everything. So please, अगर आप लोगों ने देखे सारे ख्वाब नहीं भी देखा है तो जाके please देखिए YouTube पे. It's on B Live's channel, and that's it. Thank you so much for loving me, and please stay safe, everybody, in this pandemic. Stay safe and take care of your health. That's all.
Thank you so much, Avneet. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thanks a lot. I had fun. Thank you.
Thank you. Same here.